Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the international friendly. Bafana 3, Zambia 1. I'm John Bafana, my brother. Kamabanu Pumagu.
Abalo Mdeleli suka penyu bright Steve. One message Steve.
Yeah.
So to tabiyeza ngo February lo Siphombule basicela ngaye nobani. Yezo silver for bona. Yeza. And uSipho Chain bangaphinde bambambisa akwazi ukhipha clean sheet. Funa Williams back. Mahlale phansi ebenchini Williams.
uSipho Chain bangasaphinde bamfaka.
Alazi clean sheet Steve.
Ana clean sheet.
Alazi Steve. Yes, so total Steve. Yes, silver Steve. Big show ufuna bona. Pamela phela.
Ufuna uPeterson.
Yeah, yes, uPeterson makambe uPeterson makaze. Makambe uGoss. Williams makabambe chain out.
Yeah.
Maphunga uchain Steve.
The man of the match ubani njami.
Man of the match kuMahlo Steve. Mahlo Steve. Asiziyena zombule kuMahlo. Yeah, Steve.
George Macron.
Steve. Ucho.
Atu man of the match George Macron.
Steve. Because pain bayakhala abafethu eParis ngincaka amahloko.
Thank you Rodman.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?